Understanding Tendon Recovery, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, tendon recovery. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English comprehension and usage. Let's dive in. Before we delve into tendon recovery, it's crucial to understand what tendons are. Tendons are tough, flexible bands of fibrous tissue that connect muscles to bones. They play a key role in our body's movement. When you move your arm or leg, tendons are at work. Tendon recovery refers to the process of healing or regaining strength and functionality in a tendon after it has been injured. This can involve rest, physical therapy, and sometimes medical treatments. It's a term often used in sports and medical contexts. Understanding tendon recovery is important because tendon injuries are common, especially in athletes or physically active people. Knowing about recovery can help in understanding sports-related conversations, healthcare discussions, or even news related to athlete injuries. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life contexts. 1. The athlete is focusing on tendon recovery to return to the game. 2. Proper tendon recovery can prevent future injuries. 3. After her surgery, she underwent a rigorous tendon recovery program. I hope this explanation clarifies the meaning of tendon recovery. Remember, learning such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and helps you understand more complex topics. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.